Hi everyone and welcome to my Japan vlog, a 5-part series where I travel around central Japan to experience traditional Japanese culture, crafts, food, and so much more. It's a whole lot of fun, so come with me and experience Japan's best kept secrets. We are in Gifu Prefecture, which is just a little bit off Nagoya. And today we're here at Asano Kajiya Studios for a very exciting activity, knife smithing. Let's go! This is Asano Taro, or Taro-san as we like to call him, and he has over 27 years of experience. He's also certified by the Japanese government and is one of the few genuine Japanese swordsmiths still practicing his craft today.
Forge knife making has 4 big steps. First step is forging process. This is made by high carbon steel. This forging process is longest and the hardest process. Second step is shaping process. Just after forging process, your knife will have a sharp corner and a small dent around the knife. So take off the sharp corner and make a smooth shape with file. Third step is hardening process. This hardening process is very quick and a simple process. Just heat up the blade about the whole same color and dip into the oil from edge. Then quench your knife. The final step is sharpening process. Sharpening process is sharpening process. Just sharpen up. May I show you a trick to start fire?
Okay.
Can you see it started to be red?
Yeah. Wow. Ooh.
Thank you for the nice reaction. It's very cool trick, right? It's very cool trick and it's very important technique for Japanese swordsmiths. Because ancient Japanese people think this is very pure fire because it started from nothing.
And after that neat trick, Taro-san actually added some charcoal and pumped the airbox to get the forge going before going through the basics of forging on a practice bar. So taking note of the color of the metal, the technique, and what the final shape should look like. Then it was finally my turn to try. We're gonna get ready to start forging, so I'm gonna remove my pretty white coat.
Okay. Then please count the box.
Okay. Slower.
Yes, that's right. That's it.
Okay.
Done.
Wow. Yeah. Ooh.
2, 1, 2. Nice. Okay. In the beginning, just focus on the beat. Please try to forge it evenly. Okay? I think it might be too heavy.
This is embarrassing.
Let's use this one.
Okay. Ah. Thank you.
Okay,
Okay.
that's 2 and 2.
So should I put it back in?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Ooh. Look into the fire. It's just astounding to see that this is the work of an amateur and this is how a master looks like. And with that, we moved on to our actual pre-made knife models. First up to forge is the handle, which we were going to try for the snake tail design. I think the trick is to really allow gravity to do the work. So instead of hitting really hard down, I kind of just put the effort in holding it up. I know it looks small, but it's actually quite heavy. And then I just kind of let it drop and I make sure that I'm aiming where it needs to be. Okay, color? Yeah. Okay, perfect. Okay, let's go!
Actually, it's perfect beat.
Yay! Oh! Cannot get too excited. You cannot compliment me. There's something really quite beautiful and therapeutic about the ritual of forging, especially when you beat in a consistent rhythm and connect your breath to the fire via the box. Taro-san helped me finish the shape off, so it's a perfect start to the making of the snake tail.
I told you that this is one of my favorite shapes because it's made by very blacksmith idea. It's made by 2 circles. First circle to the back, and bring back the first circle to the front. Please put your piece on corner of the anvil here, then keep it flat. Then tap the tip little by little.
Oh.
Then make it J shape. It's not L shape, should be J shape. Then turn it over and make it circle shape on the anvil. Not here, on the anvil. Like this.
Oh.
Second color is not too difficult, but very tricky, but very cool, nice trick to try. Please cool down first circle like this. 1, 2, 3, good enough.
Oh.
Then keep it 45 degrees with corner of the anvil. Then tap the first circle to bend it down. Then turn it over and fold it.
Oh.
Get there like this.
Yeah.
Thank you for the nice reaction.
Wow.
Make it J, make it J. That's it. Then let's make it a bit more bigger and deeper J. Okay, this way here.
Like this.
Then tap, 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 tap. Yes, yes. Okay, let's hit it up again. That's good enough. Okay, then
And
turn
then turn
around,
around.
turn it over, and on the anvil, on the anvil, on the
Oh,
anvil.
here.
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Make it circle, make it circle, make it circle, make it circle.
Oh no. Oh no. Like this? This way?
Oh yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's good. That's good.
Oh, cool down first. Right. The shape.
Quick one, 2, 3. That's good. Then
Then.
yes, that way. Yes. Harder, 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 harder. Yes, 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 yes. Then turn it over. Turn it over and
Oh,
fold.
oh, okay,
Harder,
okay,
harder,
okay,
harder,
okay,
harder,
okay,
harder,
okay, okay.
harder, harder. Keep on that. Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
Then tap from side gently. Tap from then
Side?
just side. Then just make it flat.
Ah.
Okay. It's good.
Wait. Yeah. Okay, it's not the most beautiful, but I did it. Look. Okay, so I looked at mine and I'm a bit of a perfectionist, so I feel like I could do a better job, and I want to try it again and take a bit more time. Taro here is going to make it straight again, and I have one last chance to make sure that I do like a nice circle. Yes.
But it's still becoming a little brittle. So
Okay.
that it will be the last chance. Yes, 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 yes. Nice, 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 nice. That's it. That's it.
Okay.
Turn it off. Yes, yes,
Oh.
yes.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, okay,
No.
the before you pick it out, you will bind it tight.
Tight.
Okay, it's a real last chance.
Okay.
Let's hit it up again.
Oh no. Okay. Oh my
Then
gosh.
keep it bind.
Okay.
Turn it. Yeah.
Keep it.
Keep it bind.
Okay. Okay.
Circle. Quick 1, 2, 3. Clean the circle. Yes. 1, 2, 3. That's it.
Okay.
Then keep it 45. Then tap the circle. Yes, 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 yes. Nice, nice. Very smart. Yes. Nice, nice. Then turn it over, and fold it. Harder, 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 harder. Harder, harder. Keep on doing, 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 keep on doing. Keep on doing, keep on. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, 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 yes. Then on the anvil. Then
I don't know if this one's any better than the first one, to be honest.
It's nicer, it's nicer.
You think so?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
The curl is much nicer.
Yeah, right? Because I feel like the first curl, it was just too big.
Yes.
So it doesn't look like the other one.
Yeah, correct. This is nice.
Looking back upon this now, I do feel a little silly to redo it and risk breaking my knife by heating it so much and making it so brittle. I don't know if anyone else can relate, but sometimes I just get so caught up in how things should be, and I wish I just embraced and trusted the process more. Yay! Alright, okay, I'm happier with this one. Ta-da! Nevertheless, I'm glad it turned out okay, and we then took a much needed break. Yeah, so I was noticing this motto at the side there, and I didn't know what it meant. In Mandarin, it's 常在横坐, which is 横坐 is this area, and in Japanese it is
就在横座。
就在横座.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the meaning of that is actually quite beautiful. Like, it's the owner Taro's motto, and it means that no matter what you do, like in life, like you always have to remember this feeling of like consistency and that Zen movement. Yeah, and he also shared that that box, like, it's really interesting because it's not a usual thing to have, to be able to connect your breath with the fire. So yeah, I thought that was really beautiful too. Tomomi! Hi! Tomomi!
Your next step is blade forging process.
Taro-san drew out the cross-section to help us understand how to forge a sharper edge by stretching the steel out wider and longer while keeping the thickness of the spine. And then off we went back into the forge for a quick demo before giving it a go ourselves. Alright. Okay.
Nice.
And this was when I started to realize, wow, the first few strikes are okay, but when you've been doing this for 10 minutes, oh my god, your wrists hurt. My wrist is like permanently broken.
Brenda, do you like cooking?
Yes.
Oh, I see.
I look like I'm cooking.
No, but actually you are managing forge very well.
Oh.
Whom likes cooking manages forge well too.
Oh.
So I was asking you that.
Oh.
Yeah, you are
thank
managing
you.
that very well.
During our next break, we wanted to check out some of Taro-san's works and were absolutely blown away. Asano Kajiya has their chef's knives on display and also makes bespoke dining ware. Taro-san also leaves the original black patina on his pieces, and it looks really organic and that much more unique. Wow! It's
I'm really sorry for the mess.
Wow, look at it! This is beautiful!
It's the shaping process. After this process, please make a smooth handle. When you use file, please use it like this. Just push one direction, just push. Your knife already have your own hammer marks. It will be very natural and organic texture for future. So you don't have to make it too smooth. This process has no goal. If you feel, okay, that's good, that's the goal.
Can you see the glint of silver? Whoa! Look at that! After filing the handle down, Taro-san then helped us shape the blade with his belt grinder.
Before that, let's put your name on your knife. I'm gonna do that with the alphabet punch. I have one more reason to I like this shape. It makes the heart shape when you make two. So it's good shape. Your next step is the hardening process. This process is very quick and a simple process. Just heat up the blade part whole semi-color and dip into the oil from edge. Then quench your knife. After that, your knife gets a hardness. The quenching steel is very stressful work for your knife. So sometimes your knife gets a crack or breaks because of the quench. I gotta set up the forge.
Okay. At this point, most of the light is blocked off to watch for the critical color and the fire is extra hot. And since the hardening process is extremely volatile and time sensitive, I could tell that Taro-san was pretty nervous about my already brittle knife, so the atmosphere was quite tense. I'm a bit nervous.
Okay, perfect color. Dip into the oil from edge. Nice, perfect. Okay, lift up. Gotcha.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, just on the light.
Yeah!
Okay, it survived. It's still
Woo!
one piece.
I was nervous. Were
You know, the hardening process was relaxed to get hot, but this is a little bit too brutal for your knife. So warm it again a little bit in the oil and take off the over hardness. After that, your knife gets the strength. You know, the hardness and the strength are different concepts. In this case, you're gonna get the strength after this process. It's like a people relax to get out, then relax a little bit. So it's like a fighting pose for your knife.
So after 5 to 10 minutes of leaving it in the oil to temper, Taro-san then takes the knives out to let them cool and then brings them over to the sink to wash off the oil.
Ooh.
Deep fry knife.
The blade then goes through the belt grinder one more time to thin it out before moving on to our final step, sharpening.
In my case, I put the thumb on belly and the tip. Imagine to use the center of the stone. Tip to bottom. Tip to bottom. The angle is most important. Oh yes, that's it.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Okay.
one line from bottom to tip to bottom. That's it, perfect. Okay, then flip the side and I put my index finger, belly and tip. Then bottom to tip. Bottom to nice, yeah. Nice, very smart, yes, nice.
I sharpened the blade 50 times on each side and then used a finer grit stone for yet another 50 times per side. I think I lost count, honestly.
Last one.
Okay. Let's take out your knife. Okay. Let's test your knife. Okay. Oh. Okay. Nice.
Oh my gosh.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
Okay.
It's very nice.
Yay! Look at our knives. Check it out. Ta-da.
So we are all done with the knife smithing session and this is my knife. I'm so excited about it. It's all wrapped up, ready to go home. So shout out to Asano Kajiya Studios and also Taro-san for helping us through this experience. And it was just such a wonderful experience. I thought it was really thoughtful and just really cool in general to be able to make like a traditional Japanese knife. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching that. I hope you guys found it fun. If you're interested in checking it out as well, I will leave a link down below to the experience where you'll find out more information and also be able to book it for yourselves if you're coming to Japan. Don't forget to stay tuned because we have a ton of other activities and experiences lined up, and I will also be picking out 3 souvenirs over my trip for 3 of you lucky people. So we'll pick the winners from the comment section. So keep them comments coming in. Let us know what you're looking forward to seeing, what you want me to do. Maybe we'll do it. And again, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back still in Japan with another fun activity. Bye!